Hello and welcome to today's video on how often are markets down in consecutive years. Investing in the stock market can be an exciting and potentially rewarding experience, but it's important to understand that it can also be a rollercoaster of emotions, with highs and lows along the way. One question that many investors ask is how often the markets are down in consecutive years. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the historical trends and what it means for investors. First, let's look at the data. According to historical data, the stock market has experienced back-to-back annual declines on average once every 3.5 years. This means that investors can expect the market to experience a down year about once every 3.5 years, on average. While this data provides a general idea of what investors can expect, it's important to remember that the frequency of consecutive down years can vary widely from this average. In some cases, the market may experience multiple consecutive down years, while in other cases it may go several years without a single down year. So, what does this mean for investors? The key takeaway is that market downturns are a natural and normal part of the investment cycle. They are not uncommon and are to be expected at some point. It's important for investors to have a long-term perspective and not panic during periods of market volatility. This can be easier said than done, especially for new investors who are not yet used to the ups and downs of the market. However, it's crucial to remain calm and stick to your investment plan, even during times of market turmoil. In addition, having a well-diversified portfolio can help reduce the impact of market downturns. By investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other asset classes, investors can reduce their risk and increase their potential for long-term growth. A diversified portfolio can also help investors stay invested during market downturns, as they are less likely to be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. It's also important to remember that market downturns can provide opportunities for long-term investors. During times of market turmoil, stocks may become undervalued, providing an opportunity to buy high-quality companies at a discounted price. While it can be tempting to try and time the market and buy low, it's much more effective to take a long-term approach and remain invested in the market, even during times of volatility. In conclusion, the stock market can experience back-to-back down years on average once every 3.5 years, but it's important for investors to have a long-term perspective and not panic during periods of market volatility. By having a well-diversified portfolio and being patient, investors can weather market downturns and reach their long-term financial goals. That's all for today's video on how often are markets down in consecutive years. We hope you found this information useful and that you now have a better understanding of the historical trends of the stock market. It's important for investors to understand that market downturns are a normal part of the investment cycle and to have a long-term perspective when investing in the stock market. We also hope that you now understand the importance of having a well-diversified portfolio and the benefits of remaining invested, even during times of market turmoil. As always, it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great financial tips and advice. Thank you for joining us on our personal finance journey. We hope that you have learned valuable information and strategies for managing your money and achieving your financial goals. Remember, personal finance is an ongoing process and it's important to continuously educate yourself, set financial goals, create a budget, save, invest and manage debt. It's also important to review your progress and make adjustments as needed. If you have any questions or would like more information on any of the topics we discussed, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and advice. We'll be continuing this series and providing more in-depth information on different aspects of personal finance. Thank you again for joining us and we'll see you in the next video. Take control of your finances and make your financial dreams a reality.